Section number 1, Introduction to Solar Energy. Lecture number 2, Earth's Energy Budget. Learning objectives of lecture number 2. Learner should able to understand Earth's energy budget. Learner should able to know percentage of solar irradiation reflected and absorbed. Earth's energy budget. To maintain a constant global average temperature, all of the sun's radiation that enters the Earth's atmosphere must be eventually sent back to the space. We know whatever amount of sun's radiation are falling over the Earth, some of the radiation has been absorbed by the surface and the sea, and some of the radiation is get reflected back to the space, and some of the radiation is absorbed by the clouds. The radiation reflection and radiation absorption, it is very much important to maintain the global average temperature of Earth. In this animation, sun is giving the radiant energy. Some of it is absorbed and some it is reflected back to the space. Earth energy budget. When the 100% of solar radiation is falling over the Earth, out of which 50% of direct and diffuse radiation is absorbed by the land and the sea, out of which 5% is reflected back to the space directly, out of which 5% the back scattered to the space by the atmosphere itself, and 20% is get reflected from the cloud. So totally when we see 30% of solar radiation is lost or it is directly reflected into the space. 20% of radiation is absorbed by the atmospheres and the cloud. So when we see there is a proper energy budget of a solar irradiation which is falling over the Earth. Approximately 70% of energy is getting absorbed and 30% of energy is getting reflected back to the space. Here it is a detailed specification has been given. 30% of solar radiation is getting reflected back to the space, out of which 5% is reflected from the atmosphere, 20% is reflected from the cloud, 5% is reflected from the ground, from land plus water plus ice. 70% of solar radiation is absorbed, out of the 50% absorbed by the land and the water, which is a form of latent heat, out of which 23% is transferred back to the space, back to the atmosphere, 7% transferred back into the atmosphere by heated rising air, 6% radiated directly into the space, 15% transferred into the atmosphere by radiation, 20% of absorbed by the atmosphere and the cloud, out of which 16% is re-radiated back to into the space, 4% is transferred to the cloud.